What's up, guys? Welcome back to the kitchen. Just another day cooking here. I'm sure you guys have seen by the title of the video or the Instagram post, and if you haven't seen the Instagram post, go ahead and follow us at We Don't Cook Food, as you guys can see here. But yeah, just another day cooking in the kitchen. Here we are, back with another product. If you guys can see behind me, gonna give you just a little sneak peek. Oh, there we go. Anyway, we're gonna be looking at the Yeezy 700 Mauves. Let's go ahead and get into this ASAP. This is the box. Of course, not much different than the original 700s that came out. Those were the Yeezy Waverunners. Still says Boost on the box, as you guys can see. Gonna go ahead and take a look at this just a little better. Okay, now here's a better look at this end of the box. Nothing too different, as you guys can tell. And then here we have another look at the box. EPC included inside on mostly all of these Yeezy pairs. I'm pretty sure since the blue tint release. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this and see how this box is looking. Alright guys, so just went ahead and separated this from the actual box so I could go ahead and get this out with one hand. Let's go ahead and get a little drum roll going. Ready? Boom. Here we go. Right off the bat, this is the Yeezy 700 Mauve. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so here we have them, the Yeezy Boost 700 Mauve. Now, I'm going to go ahead and look over these for you guys, make sure you guys see all the details and whatnot. But just to talk about them a little bit more, here's a better look at the gum sole for you guys actually. But yeah, the Yeezy Boost 700 Mauve was originally seen on pictures of Kanye as well as people like Ian Connor earlier this summer. I'll go ahead and put some pictures up for you guys so you could get a better look. But yeah, at first people weren't really feeling the colorway in general. Comments on social media, they were kind of hating on it. But the official release date of these was not too long ago, the day after my birthday, October 27th, 2018. Now, retail numbers were possibly in the 60,000s or more for these. Now, the funny thing about this, I'm going to go ahead and include a picture as well, is that Adidas actually sent us an email because we are subscribed and we have made purchases with them before. But they sent us an email letting us know that pairs were still sitting on Adidas.com the day after. So if you know the history of Yeezys and you know how exclusive they are, the fact that these did not sell out immediately, it's not completely shocking. There have been a few pairs that did not sell out as quick as well, but the fact that they actually went ahead and sent out an email reminding people to go ahead and purchase these. But yeah, just another top-down look at these so you guys can get a better look. What do you guys think? Would you guys go ahead and pick these up, or are these something that you would pass on? Like I said, these are the second iteration of the actual Yeezy 700s, the first being the Waverunners. Now, those Waverunners did take a while to grow on people, especially myself. Those were kind of dubbed the first Kanye attempt on dad shoes. So people weren't exactly feeling them at first, but they definitely grew on them. So the other thing with this price point being $300, it's definitely not accessible for a lot of people. I mean, $300 is a heavy retail. We know sneakerheads will pay a lot more than that for a pair of sneakers, and especially a pair of Yeezys. But yeah, I think that high retail price is definitely something that probably held people back with this. And in order to go ahead and kind of combat that, Adidas went ahead and provided free shipping on these as well. So with that said, they still weren't able to move all of those units and they were sitting. So you guys be the judge. So yeah, this is just a quick little review of the Yeezy Boost 700 Mauves. Again, they just released on October 27th, not too long ago, last Saturday. What do you guys think? Would you pick them up? Would you rock them? Would you throw them away? Should we give them away? I mean, I think the best part of them is probably this gum sole. But yeah, go ahead and let us know. Let us know what other reviews we should do. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll have better content as we grow. Keep cooking with us. Be safe. Have an awesome and safe Halloween, guys. Thank you, and thank you for cooking with us.